Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aina binti Muhammad Amran. ID matric I181020806. I will explain about chapter 8, subtopic 8.4, which is what are the most important tools and technologies for safeguarding information resources. In this topic, we have a small subtopic, which is the first one, identity management and authentication. Number 2, firewalls, intrusion detection system and antivirus software. Number 3, securing wireless networks. 4, encryption and public key infrastructure. 5, ensuring system availability. 6, security issues for cloud computing and the mobile digital platform. And then lastly, ensuring software quality. I will explain the first is identity management and authentication. Identity management software automates the process of keeping track of all these users and their system privileges, assigning each user a unique digital identifier for accessing each system. Authentication refers to the ability to know that a person is who he or she claims to be. Biometric authentication uses systems that read and interpret individual human traits such as fingerprints, iris, and voice to gain or deny access. Two-factor authentication increases security by validating users through a multi-step process. For number 2, firewalls, intrusion detection system, and antivirus software. Okay, the first one, firewalls. It prevents unauthorized users from accessing private networks. The firewalls acts like a gatekeeper that examines each user's credentials before it grants access networks. Okay, for intrusion detection system, further full-time monitoring tools placed at the most vulnerable points or hotspots of corporate networks to detect and deter intruders continually. Okay, for antivirus software is prevent, detect, and remove malware, including computer virus and computer worms. For the number 3 is securing wireless networks. The initial security standard developed for Wi-Fi, called wireless equivalent privacy, is not very effective because its encryption keys are relatively easy to crack. For number 4 is encryption and public key infrastructure. It's the process of transforming plain text or data into simple text that cannot be read by anyone other than the sender and the receiver. Secure hypertext transfer protocol is another protocol. Okay, for the number 5 is ensuring system availability. Okay, it is have two, which is controlling network traffic, deep packet inspection, and security outsourcing. Okay, we see about controlling network traffic. DPI, which means deep packet inspection, examines data files and sorts out low priority online material while assigning higher priority to business critical files. For security outsourcing means that they can outsource many security functions to manage security service providers that monitor network active and perform. Okay, for this number 6, we say about security issues for cloud computing and the mobile digital platform, which is it has two, security in the cloud, security mobile platform. We say about security in the cloud is to save money and keep costs low. Cloud computing providers often distribute work to data centers around the globe where work can be accomplished most effectively. Then we see about securing mobile platform, which is mobile device accessing corporate system and data requires special protection. The organization mobile security policy should forbid employees from using unsecure. Okay, for the lastly is number 7, which is ensuring software quality. Okay, the first one, software metrics are objective assessment of the system in the form of quantified measurements. Number 2 is example of software metrics include the number of transactions that can be processed in a specific unit of time, online response time, the number of payroll checks printed per hour. Then good testing begins before a software program is even written by using a walkthrough. I think that's all from me. Thank you.